This is a quick video on how to properly use the laminator. First thing, you want to look right over here and make sure this green check mark is on. If there's no lights at all, hit this button and you'll see the blinking hourglass in yellow. Do not try to use the laminator until that is done blinking and the green check mark is on. The second thing you want to do is come around back here and make sure this magnet is holding out at least 2 or 3 inches, and then you can take the magnet off. And you have that excess right there. The reason I have that there is when people are done with their job, if they don't run this out at the end, it can get caught on this lip after you cut it, and the next person that comes and does their job, if they don't check, it can get caught here, and the laminating job just spins and spins and rolls up around this roller here, and it takes a while to take apart. That ruins your job too. When you come to do a laminate job, try to bring at least 4 sheets with you. You can do 2 across, but you can't do 3 across this way. We don't have quite enough room, but you can do 2 across. So bring at least 1, 2, 3, 4 with you just to save laminate. Hit this button right here to go. And then walk back here, and it helps to put your hand on this and make sure it's actually coming out. When the job is done, and it gets about right there, you can come back here and hit stop. And it helps to pull this tight. Take your hand and pull that tight and push that down and cut all the way across. So when you're all done with your job and you've already cut it, run it out, grab the magnet and put it back on there. So run it out at least enough that the magnet takes hold.